You guys, sorry for the lack of videos lately, but I've been busy with work and whatnot. I'm just too tired when I get home. But in any event, the last couple of nights, couple days, actually over the weekend, I was thinking about this steel chassis that I had here. And if you can remember back a couple of videos, this came out of a LCD monitor, this shield. And I'm going to use that as the body of this radio. So I got a couple of controls here. There's a couple already holes here, so I said I'd just fill them with a couple of controls. Not sure how it was going to work. I might have to put smaller knobs or something on it, but for right now, we'll go with that. Hopefully I can get a freezer counter working on this one. This freezer counter module. This one, the second one I bought. I bought this one about 2-3 years ago, and never got around to using it until tonight. So tonight she is mounted to this steel frame. I have the tuning knob already installed. It's doing its wonderful things. So let's take you behind the front panel. This is the business end of it. Of course, you know me. I gotta go string drive. Gotta make it fancy. I collaborated a bunch of bits and pieces and this and that to make my little tuning control knob here. The shaft. That was fun. I got this piece of metal here off an old transformer. I used this to spindle off an old radio. Originally I was using this white one here, but the string kept popping off, so I decided to go with this steel one instead. The tuning capacitor over here. This tuning capacitor, normally every circuit I've built, I've always grounded this capacitor directly to a chassis. This one, I'm going to try to build this radio so there's actually two different grounds. So there's a chassis ground, and then there's going to be an actual circuit ground, which is going to be different than this one. So as it sits right now, this tuning capacitor right here, coming out of an old tube radio, this tuning capacitor is isolated. It's insulated from the chassis. So you can see it's got three sections on it. So I might put I'm thinking of putting like a 3-band receiver of some sort is what I'm thinking on doing. And so using, of course, the nylon braided fly rod line for fly rods, this stuff right there. And I used it before. And now I'm going to, when you go move the main knob, the tuning capacitor over there moves. And so do two of these. This one, two of these drums works. See? Which is very, very small. Very, very, the tuning on this is, can go pretty slow with this. The ratio there is pretty good, I gotta say. You go pretty slow. Anyways, so this is a little project that I'm working on. I'm going to build a power supply in this. So I've got the AC cord just going to plug into here. I've got a small little transformer that I'm going to use on this one. Somewhere amongst this junk. I got one. There we go. A small little AC transformer. So I'm going to run the whole radio on. It's going to have its own power supply. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put the transformer yet. Here, there, whatever. But this transformer is going to power the radio. This one. Anyways, that's what I've been messing around with. And the frequency counter, of course, is these two leads here. Red and black is power, and the shielded cable is for input to the frequency counter. Anyways, that's my little setup. Hopefully this is going to work as well as it looks, but I guess time will tell on that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll chat again on the next one. Anyway, stay tuned. There'll be more on this one for sure. All the best. 7-3.